Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Crystal, owner at Big Energy Candle Co. And today we're talking all things wicks. But before we get into that, let's take care of the crib, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell wherever it is so it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Please make sure to follow me on Facebook at Big Energy Candle Co. and on Instagram at bigenergycandle.co. So before we get started, I want to give a shout out to my 16-year-old daughter. She is an amazing creator. She made me this ear cuff. She's super amazing. She makes bracelets, she makes necklaces, she does the mala beads, and they are all handmade. And she's just amazing. She's really heavy in her spirituality at 16, and I just wanted to shout my baby out. So let's get into the video because you guys know that I don't try to keep you long. But I chose to do wicks over wax because wicks are the heart of your candle. They can make or break your candle truly, which is the reason why a lot of creators do wickless candles. Basically, wax melts in a jar. So because it is super hard to wick a candle correctly, and it takes a lot of trial and error. So I'm going to show you guys the wicks that I have purchased. I'm going to tell you where I purchased them from, and I'm going to tell you if I utilize them or if I don't and why I do not. So let's get into it because y'all know I can't give y'all no fluff. So first and foremost, I started out with this baby. And you guys remember when I told you that I made my first candle and it didn't smell like anything and it didn't burn right and blah, 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 blah. Well, I think that is the reason why I don't use this one here. It is really a small wick. It is 100% cotton pre-wax wick. It's about 5 inches long. I just don't care for it. It's super tiny and it just doesn't seem to work well for what I need. Now, I will say this, they probably would do amazing in like a tea light candle or a smaller vessel. But just to feel comfortable using this, I just don't like it. And I bought them on Amazon. And they came in a bag of probably like 50. And if you could see, I've barely even used these. These were like the beginning of my candle journey, right? So I want to show you the difference in these and the ones I actually do use. So I purchased these here from Hearts and Crafts, and I don't know if you can see it, but I purchased these. It came in a whole kit. It was wax, it was wick centering devices. It was 2 of those, and it was 100 pre-wax 100% natural cotton wicks. Now I actually do use these. I only use these on my tea light candles as well as my like 2-ounce candles. When I'm using like a smaller candle, I will use these, and I'm going to tell you why you don't use what my preferred wick is. I'm going to tell you why I don't use it in my smaller candles. So you see this is a whole lot bigger than that one in width and in length. Not a whole lot bigger in length, but it's bigger in length. And I paid about 30 bucks possibly for the wax, the wicks, and the centering devices. I didn't choose that wax, but I do like their wicks. But I am going to go to a non-waxed wick eventually. So then when I started my candle line, guys, I knew that I wanted to do wooden wicks. So I scoured Amazon just because whenever you're making, you kind of know that Amazon's going to get you your stuff super quick. So I ordered these wicks here. And if I could get that light just right. But anyway, I ordered these wicks right here, and I got them and I made my candle and they didn't stay burning. And I'm like, what the hell? Like, why are these wicks not burning? What the heck is going on? So I did a little burn test just on the wick itself, and it just doesn't stay lit. So I contact the maker, like, what the hell is going on? Like, why are these not staying lit? I don't understand. They're wood. Why are they not burning? And I was informed that you have to pre-soak these in your fragrance oil, or I guess some type of oil. And I just did not feel comfortable selling candles, making candles that I have soaked this in a flammant. I did not feel comfortable doing that. So I don't use these. When I say I don't use them, I literally have a bag of these that have not been used, and it's probably more than this because they sent me out new ones, because I'm like, something's wrong with these wicks, and they send me out new ones. And then when I finally talked to the maker and he says you have to soak them, I'm like, hell no, I'm not doing that. But let's get you guys to the start of the show, and I'm going to also show you the clips that I use. So these are the actual, it is so hard to get the lighting just right. Let's cut it down just a little bit. Bam, you see that? So this is from the Wick Co. And I love them, guys. They stand behind their products, and I'll tell you why I wanted it. Not today, because we gotta keep it together. So these are crackling booster wick 0.4. They are, the crackling level is a 3 to 5. And it tells you even the wax companion whenever you purchase from the Wick. So these are 0.5 in width and 5 inches long. So these babies are my favorite. If you can see it, this is what they consider the booster. It's smooth on one side, and then this is the booster. So this is what gives you that crackling sound that we love. I love wooden wicks. I love the way they look in the candle. I love the way they sound. They're just amazing, and you spend a little bit more when you get an amazing product. But these actually burn without you having to pre-soak them. And I don't know if you guys can hear it. But they actually burn. And I didn't like this one any longer than the other one. I actually have to blow it out because I didn't put anything here to catch it. So I love the Wick Co. Now I'm gonna tell you what they do that other makers that I haven't found other makers do, or other product lines do. So they offer you to purchase a wick sample kit, and that sample kit has, if you decide to do flat wicks, it has all the flat wicks that they make, and it's like $30 for that one. And they have another one if you want a little more of an exclusive wig, like an X wig or letter wig or colored wig, but that one is like $80. But the one that I purchased had like 4 of each wicks, flat wicks that they make, and that allowed me to test my candles and see which wick I wanted to use. And I wanted to be right in the middle. So currently I just use this one. And if I want a double wick, I can double wick. If I single wick, I can single wick. So it gives you the opportunity to really learn which wick is going to work best with your vessel, which is why you need to choose your vessel first. So this right here is a larger wooden wick, crackling wick, and I love these, like I really do. I know, and you can see the difference in size. This is the largest one that they make, and they're just amazing, guys. When I tell you they are amazing, you literally can make an amazing candle, because Wooden Wick gives you videos, they give you how-tos, they have a YouTube channel, and I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just telling you what I like, seriously. But you definitely will get your money's worth, and they have customer service. It's a chat, but they do respond almost instantly, and that's one of the things I love. I need to be able to talk to people whenever I'm spending my money, okay? Now, when it comes to clips, I'm going to show you the clips that I got and the clips that I actually love and I actually use. So when I first started out, guys, you know, I was on Amazon buying shit, right? So I purchased these. I don't know if you can see them. Let's just try to sit them up here like that. I purchased these. And you see how they are like kind of like this. Yeah, I don't like it because it really doesn't hold the wick in place. And I purchased these on Amazon as well. I really don't use those because, so as I was saying, guys, you really get what you pay for. I don't like these because they're just not sturdy. They work in a pinch, but they're not sturdy. And I feel like that they don't hold the wick in place as it should. When I put my wick in, I need my wick to be there and not to move. And then we have this one. This one is from Wick Co. I am a fan of Wick Co. They have really great products and they stand by their products. So this is the wax clip that I currently use, but I'm going to show you what I'm moving to. So there is a low profile wax clip right here. I like this because if you're doing like tea light candles, or if you're doing if you decide to do X wick candles with the X wick, I don't know what I'm trying to say, they are gonna work perfectly. If you are doing 2-ounce candles, larger candles, they're low profile, so they literally are just a universal wick clip, and they're amazing. Like they're kind of lightweight compared to this baby here, but Wick sells these as well. You can get them on Amazon, but Wick, I think they're through Wick, but Wick sells these as well, and they sell them in different colors, so it's really cute. And it just gives your candle just an extra little I'm over the top. Like if they get the candle to the bottom, they burn it that long. It's like, oh, this is cute. It's rose gold or black or white, you know, or silver. So these are really good, guys. So I just want to always remind you guys that you get what you pay for, and time is money. Don't always take the cheaper way out. I know that as a beginner in whatever craft you're doing, you want to really keep costs low. I always try to keep costs low so I can pass those savings off to my customers. However, I also remember that there's just some things that I cannot bend or fold on. There are things that I literally have to spend more money in because of the simple fact that I want to make sure that it's quality over everything. Like I want to make sure that I put 100% quality in anything I do. So guys, I hope that this has enlightened you. Again, I chose Wigs first because they are the heart of your candle. Without your wick burning right, you are not gonna make a candle successfully. It just is what it is. And I want to encourage you again to just keep on this journey. There are going to be times when you make a candle and it's perfect. There are going to be other times when you make a candle and it's not so perfect. That's just the name of the game. There are times, and my daughter told me this, and I'm not going to keep you guys on, so I keep this at the end of the video. So if you don't want to watch, you don't have to. But I was so stressed out. I don't even know if I told you guys this story, but I was like, oh my God, what if I make a candle and it doesn't have a good smell? What if I make a candle and it doesn't burn right? And my oldest daughter, she told me, she said, Mom, how many times have you purchased something from Walmart or Target and it did not work the way that it was supposed to work? And what did you do? You returned it and you either got another one or you got your money back. Why? You're worried about the wrong things. Your candles are amazing. And I want to tell you guys the same thing. You're worried about the wrong things. Your candles are amazing. Keep making candles. Keep chasing your dreams. And even if we got to take that step back and regroup, we don't quit, guys. I love you. I love you. Thank you for the support. Please don't forget to support me on my social media accounts, as well as like and subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye.